Exercise Drone Prahar. Now this exercise is basically an attempt to display or to build the capabilities of modernization, because modernization in warfare very, very important it is. On July 27, the Indian Army conducted Exercise Drone Prahar, a high-tech military drill at the military station in Rayang, Arunachal Pradesh, East Siang district. Now, this exercise specifically aimed to validate the effective integration of drone technology into tactical battlefield operations, marking a significant step into the Army's modernization efforts. So you can see the drones, they're being flown by the Army, and the location of this exercise, Arunachal Pradesh, definitely signifies our, I would say, presence and our activities near the China border. And we also know that the usage of drones during Operation Sindoor, how this is gaining prominence. And I think in January or December, we covered a news piece where we talked about India joining the Eurodrone program. Eurodrone program is basically a program of European countries where they are collaborating with countries and among themselves for enhancing the drone technology. And drones in warfare can be used for information gathering, reconnaissance, means doing Reiki and all. They can be used for attacks. They can be used for delivering supplies to the armed forces personnel deployed in difficult terrains. They can be used for research and rescue operations. Multiple usages are there of drones. So this becomes a very, very important tool in warfare nowadays, and hence it is important to train about it. Now about Exercise Drone Prahar. It is a high-tech military drill conducted by the Indian Army. Purpose is to validate seamless integration and effective utilization of drone technology in tactical battlefield operations. So it is not like that drones are going to replace the armed forces. What we have to do is, we have to integrate this new tech with the already existing battle forces. Like drones can guide them for their movements. Drones can attack and give them the visuals ki haan bhai, this is the current scenario, you can move from here, you can move from there. These kind of integrations have to be done with the drone technology. Drone technology is not going to replace the foot soldiers. In fact, it is going to aid their operations. It is conducting at the military station in Rayang in Arunachal Pradesh's East Siang district, and it was observed by Lieutenant General Abhijeet S. Pendharkar, General Officer Commanding of Spear Corps. Operational focus. It is carried out under realistic operational conditions. The exercise demonstrated effective use of drones for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, achieving real-time sensor-to-shooter coordination and enabling precision targeting. Strategic aim to enhance command reach, to improve situational awareness for tactical commanders, and to support dynamic decision-making on the ground by employing layered surveillance. Evaluated aspects for seamless integration. The exercise also accessed crucial elements for smooth drone integration, which included airspace deconfliction. There should not be conflict in the other air assets of the forces like fighter jets or helicopters, because they also will occupy the airspace. The drones will also occupy the airspace. So there should be airspace deconfliction. Then secure communication channels should be there, maintaining secure links for data transmission and command. Then coordination protocols, establishing clear communication and operational guidelines among various arms and services of the army. So all these things should be there.